A rap sa balat.
Welcome to the battlefield, tools in my hand. Kali Linux, the beast, I command the land. Born to break chains, shatter the locks. From networks to firewalls, I own the blocks. Got scanning, uncover the disguise. Ports wide open, yeah, no compromise. Metasploit's arsenal, zero-day might. When I drop payloads, systems ignite. Cracknik, I take down the sky. Now PPA's a joke, Wi-Fi waves I fly. Scripts so sharp, they slice through defense. Kali's my weapon, my shield, my offense. Kali Linux, feel the wrath in my veins. Command line thunder, breaking the chains. From hackers to warriors, the throne we claim. Kali's the legend, eternal the name. Decrypt your secrets,
John the Ripper.
passwords crumble, expose every file.
Wireshark vision, I see through the smoke.
Packets don't lie, every byte I evoke. Slow map, inject and divide. Databases kneel, there's nowhere to hide. With burps, with power, I tear webs apart. Your firewall's failing, I'm the state of the art. Fishing with engineering minds. Kali's my mentor, the elite of our kind. It's not just a tool, it's a force to creed. Empowering hackers to succeed and lead. Kali Linux, feel the wrath in my veins. Command line thunder, breaking the chains. From hackers to warriors, the throne we claim. Kali's the legend, eternal the name.
Maltego maps the secrets untold. Darknet shadows, the truth unfolds. Ethical power, I rise from the shade. For justice and knowledge, the path we've paved.
No black hats here, we fight for the light. Kali's the torch in the hacker's night. Control and protect, that's how we win. Respect the craft, let the hacking begin. Kali Linux, a storm in the cloud. For ethical warriors, fearless and proud. The digital battlefield bends to my will. With Kali the legend, I master the skill.